Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use internal links in WordPress effectively. Internal links are fundamental for guiding both your users and search engines through your valuable content, connecting one page to another within your own domain. They establish a clear hierarchy, helping search engine bots crawl your site more efficiently, passing around link equity. A well-planned internal linking strategy can significantly enhance your site's overall discoverability and user engagement, keeping visitors on your site longer. Internal links play a crucial role in improving your website's search engine optimization. They effectively distribute page authority, often called link juice, from stronger pages to newer or weaker ones, giving them a boost in search rankings. A robust internal linking structure also significantly enhances user experience, encouraging visitors to explore more content and spend more time on your site. This increased engagement can reduce your bounce rate by up to 15%, a key metric for search engines, signaling positive user behavior. Adding internal links in WordPress is remarkably straightforward using the block editor. Simply highlight the specific text you wish to use as your anchor text. Next, click on the small chain link icon located in the toolbar above your selected text. A search bar will then prompt you to type the title of the page or post you want a link to. Select the correct one from the suggestions, and WordPress will automatically insert the internal link, making your content seamlessly interconnected. To maximize the effectiveness of your internal links, always use descriptive and relevant anchor text. This means the highlighted words should clearly indicate what the user will find on the linked page, helping both readers and search engines. Focus on linking to your cornerstone content, which are your most important and comprehensive articles, more often. Also, ensure your internal links open in the same browser tab, keeping your visitors engaged on your website. Aim for at least 3 to 5 relevant internal links per article.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.